Okay, here's a little project I got going. I'm gonna try to knock this out in 4 days. Gotta put quarter panels. I already started, so I got the tire rack off. Somebody did a fine job. And I gotta put a bottom on this door. Don't have to paint it. Don't have to prep it. Just weld them on, seal it up, send it. Both sides. And I'm probably gonna pull this door off and do a little sandblast on the corners. See what I need to replace there. Hello, Kitty. Basically 4 days to do it. Hopefully I can do it in 3 and get a little break. So we'll see what happens. I guess if you're thinking about it, just don't. Don't cut a piece out of the quarter panel and just screw it on. Because it looked ridiculous. Brand new beauty for the right side. I'll flip it so we can check out the other side. What a beauty. So that was too much. Unbolted it, slid it back 4 to 6 inches, maybe a foot, I don't know. Went each side to side, got it to the middle so it would start to tip down in the back. Shut the tailgate, crawled inside, not crawled, just here and reached up, worked it back till the weight was on my hands. Carried it out here, which I'd set 2 horses up out here, but they were close together. So then I had to put it on my shoulders. So I went from my head to my shoulders, grabbed the horses, squared them up, and set it down. Wow, that was a lot. Okay, we've made a little progress. We're gutted. Now it's time to commit. I don't think I'll have any trouble with the caps. Bigger the better. Might have fun getting this apart though. We're crusty. Should be pretty easy. Well, there it is. Stripe delete. Got what I expected. It's a little crusty. But I got a repair kit for that. A little mud in there. Did it all with one saw blade. Gonna have to build that. Not happy. But it's off. And I gotta figure out how to get those nut plates transferred to the new piece. Top and bottom for the spare tire holder. It'll be fun. Well, got the corner off. two little spot welds, on top, on the bottom. Just zip wheel down that. Same way down there. Seems to be some rust right there. Right there that I'm gonna have to repair. That light is gone. So this piece, I'm gonna do one of those. Looks like it's a little crusty right there. I haven't dug that out yet to see how bad. Trying to figure out how to make sure I have that piece in the right position. There's no good markings. So I guess it's gonna be a guess. We'll get her. I think I'm gonna take a scribe and scribe around it before I take it off. Wow, that's ugly. But I cut it all with one blade. More grossness over here. More repairs. Had to cut this side off so I could get to the bolts that hold the tailgate. Genius move forward. Well, here's an update. Somewhere around 20 hours in. Got the rust repaired underneath. Got it fitting. Six or seven trims. I do a little bit more right at the top. Drill for spot welds. Need to trim the inside edge off. For some reason it's too long. Have to do something with this corner because they didn't know what it's supposed to look like. And then this is about 3/8 too long. Drill for spot welds and repair that corner. So I think I'm gonna quit Saturday night, relax for a while. Looks pretty good. Got the last repair on this side. Make the piece and weld a flange on it. It's not bad. Took way too long. Okay, ready to drill for welds. All repairs are made. To finish trimming this once I get it set up there. Hopefully it'll fall out the bottom. Drill this for welds. Update, quarters on, bedside quarter. Got a little warp at the front of the wheel well, right about in there. And a tiny one coming off that, but looks really good. Same big gap. Look good. Do a little zap there. One there. Gotta build this corner still. Build that corner. But got all the old spot welds off. Hopefully we can get this one put on today. Always takes longer than you think. Bottom of door repair. Not sure if I showed this quarter panel that it's on. Looking sweet. About done. Alright, doors back on. Tops back on. Shot of primer. Rear bumpers on. Tire racks on. Picking up parts, getting ready to back it outside. Ship it off to Florida so it can start a new life. I'm gonna give the Bronco a final walk around. Quarter panels, outer wheelhouse. Had to rebuild the stake pockets or inner roll cage, I guess, whichever. Bottom on this door. Off to the painter. So, thanks for watching. Give the Bronco a final walk around. Put both quarter panels on, both outer wheelhouses. Just doing the metal work on this one, so it's off to the painter.